Hello again. What I want to show you now is another adaptive release rule that is based on review status. Now, you can do that in both the regular adaptive release or you can do an adaptive release advanced feature. So as you see here, going back to what we've done before, they have the adaptive releases enabled for this activity and also for this one. What you'll notice here in this third one, Amazing Physics, it says enabled review and statistics tracking. So it's checking on the statistics of if the kids went into this. Now all reviewed means is that the student actually selected the button to say they reviewed it. Now I'll show you why it's going to be important for students to check that off when we get into this last folder here, which is sample chapter 1, importance of our oceans. So in this case, we want them to hopefully watch this video, and then it will open up this next one based on a rule that we're going to create. Alright, so I'm going to go into show you how that was created, and you can go into either adaptive release or advanced. We're going to go into adaptive release. What you're going to notice is at the bottom where we have review status here, I have selected an item which is the Amazing Physics. I did the browse. So when I did a browse, I have this window that opens up and I can select where in the items that I currently have what I want them to watch first or open or see. And in this case it was the Amazing Physics. So I selected it, I put it into this window here, and then I submitted. So it's going to turn on the review. And now we're going to go on to see that it again says review. So in order for them to get into this folder, they're going to have to select reviewed for this. And I'll show you how that works right now. We're going to go and turn it off and turn on the student mode. So what you notice here, and this is what a student will see, is just the video or the activity or item that you want them to see first. And when they either watch it, hopefully, when they're done, they will then select mark reviewed, and watch what happens. Is now amazingly, now the sample chapter 1 folder is now open for them to move forward and go on. Again, that's how you could do it for a slideshow, a PowerPoint, a video, any pictures you want them to view first. So you can do that for many items. And again, you could do it for a test. Prior to taking a test, they would have to take and maybe get a certain score on a quiz. And I can show that to you in a later time. Again, that's how to use review status in order to have them advance to another activity